Here's the app called Castle, Make and Play, Graphics and Design. So yeah, you can just tap Get to install it. And this is kind of the AI app where you can make your own games. You can, it's like social media for creating and playing games. Make your own games in our simple but powerful editor, then share them with friends or post to the community and build a following. Explore the millions of games, animations, and drawing made by the community. Every genre there adds 1,000 posted every day. Post comments, follow your favorite creators, compete for high scores, collect achievements, or just hang out. Get started with simple templates or remix the game you see and want to add with your touch. So here it is. So you can just open it up, and here is the app. So here you can just see, swipe below to continue. There are a bunch of apps in here which you can see. Pretty cool. So yeah, people just create in the games, and then you can just create. You can learn from tutorials. There is like documentation. You can create a new deck. So like racetrack, for example. So as you can see, there are really a lot of details. So wow, pretty cool. And then yeah, you can then just add it like that. And then yeah, so that's the idea, and you can create it yourself, but as you can see, there are a lot of work needs to be done. So racetrack, golf, you can start blank. You can then just add a new actor, start drawing, and then you just add in shapes, frames. So pretty cool, actually. Quite an amazing app in here which you can try. Then you can just build your own profile and start it up. And then for example, there's this game where you can just explore. There are some music. Yeah, it really feels cool. You can see, yes, like few thousand people played it, a lot of comments. So it's quite large community in here. And so that's just what you have. So explore the app, quite fun. Try it out.